The NBC Olympics site is one of the most ambitious projects on the web, and certainly one of the largest applications done with Silverlight today. 2,200 hours plus of video, live commentary, and the design requirement of appealing to the whole Olympics audience. Today we have Eric Schmidt with us, and he's going to talk to us about the process of creating the site, as well as give us a look at what the site looks like.
So in standard player mode, you basically have the video window and surrounded by athlete information that's synchronized in most cases to what you're seeing. Trivia and related video. It's kind of like we're doing this to drive dwell time.
Sure.
And then you can go over here and search into the video. So let's search for BMX and see if anything comes up. So great, there's the BMX trials. So just go ahead and click on that, and we'll go out and just grab the next video. Here you see an ad. So that was another part of this project to make sure that Silverlight itself could integrate with different ad networks. In this case, it's DoubleClick. So we're serving a lot of pre-roll ads, and then we synchronize that to these companion ads, which are Flash. So we also had to do that synchronization between Silverlight, out to Flash, and make sure that that was all working correctly.
Very cool.
So in standard player, you get this view, and then in enhanced player, you basically you blow up, and we get into 16:9 if we have 16:9 source. The one feature that we talked about at Mix that I don't think we demoed, we just showed a screenshot of it was this concept of live video control room. So so during live events, if you're going to stay up at 3 or 4 in the morning, you'll be able to go in and basically pick from this pick list over here. This will be filled out more, but you'll be able to pick a main video, and that'll drop over to here. We're just getting these kind of static feeds right now out of Beijing because nothing's happening live. And then you can drop in videos 2, 3, and 4. You'll be able to drop them over here.
Okay.
So from a Silverlight perspective, we did a lot of work to make sure that the media element in this case could handle the footprint of trying to render 4 different video elements at the same time.
Sure.
Make sure that we weren't putting too much stress on the CPU. The other thing we showed at Mix was this concept of PIP. So you can, anytime you're in a particular clip, you can go back out and you find something you can watch in a PIP. One of the design changes we made was you can actually move the PIP around. This is kind of a subtle thing to find. It has a really cool animation. But we did this just in case, well, maybe you're watching a game and the score happens to be in a certain area, or it's over, it's over someone's face. You can kind of move it around, or you may have preferences. Some people are, left quadrant dominant or right quadrant dominant. In this video window, what you'll be able to do is basically pop up and see live what's happening. So maybe you're kind of multitasking at work. You can sit there, it'll scroll through.
So like play-by-play.
Play-by-play, yeah. And then whenever we go into rewind mode, so say you are watching at work, it wasn't live, you can click on those comments and it'll take you right back to that particular instance in the video. So it's like TiVo or DVR taken to the next level. It's like contextualized, fast forward, and rewind.
Awesome. So it sounds like using Silverlight was a great advantage for building the website.
Yeah, I've worked on a lot of big projects and a lot of video projects, and like you said in the beginning, this was very, very ambitious, both in terms of the design plus the amount of content and the integration work. And I think I know the difference, having worked through this and working with the team. I don't know if we could have pulled it off without Silverlight. And I'm not talking from a graciousness, but just having managed code and being able to write this complex threading, being able to rely on the robustness of the media element. I don't know if we could have pulled it off. To be honest with you, the Windows Media Player implementation is really rock solid. It's good for streaming, but whenever you get into this multi-picture view and you start synchronizing commentary, all this commentary, it becomes very difficult. And it's really a testament that Silverlight 2 is ready for prime time. And next week, we'll see what happens.
Yeah, great.
Yeah,
I'm looking forward to it. Thanks for stopping by, Eric.
Sure. Thanks, man.
All right.
Take care.